Preview mode in Slickplan gives your team and clients a complete, read-only view of your project. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use preview mode. It is more than just a way to check content. It provides a holistic view of your planning work, including sitemaps for hierarchy and information architecture, diagrams for user flows and processes, content blocks for text and media, design mockups for page layouts and visuals. With one shared link, stakeholders can see how everything fits together without needing an account or paid seat. This makes preview mode an easy way to collaborate and review progress at any stage of a project. To open preview mode, follow the sharing project instructions in Slickplan. You can share either the entire project link, which opens in sitemap view by default, a single page link directly from the content planner. Depending on the module selected in the top navigation, reviewers can browse the full website hierarchy in sitemap view and click into pages. Review user flows and processes in diagram view. Read structured page content in content view. See uploaded mockups tied to pages in design view. When comments are enabled, reviewers can leave feedback directly on pages or content blocks. That's preview mode in Slickplan. It's an easy, powerful way to review, share, and collaborate on your projects, keeping everyone on the same page, literally. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.